Welcome. Today, we're going on a journey. We will explore the fascinating world inside a designer bag factory. This essay will guide you, step by step, through the entire creation process. We're going to use simple, clear language to show you how a simple idea becomes a luxurious accessory. You will see raw materials, like leather and fabric, shaped by skilled hands and by precise machines. We start at the very beginning, a designer's initial spark of imagination, and follow the bag's path until it's packed and ready to ship. This is the story of design, craft, attention to detail. Every great bag begins with a thought. A designer imagines a new shape, a new function, a new style. Inspiration can come from art, nature, architecture, or modern life. The idea is first captured in a series of sketches. These sketches explore form and proportion, front, back, side, and inside. Pocket sizes, strap length and style, and how it looks when carried are all planned. These initial drawings are the soul of the bag. From sketches, the team makes crucial decisions. They choose colors that bring the design to life. They select primary materials, calfskin leather, woven canvas, or sustainable faux leather. Each material has its own character and challenges. They also select hardware, zippers, clasps, protective feet, strap rings, and decorative studs, the bag's jewelry. Hardware must complement the design. Next comes the practical phase. The team analyzes sketches to determine production cost. Will it need special machines or specialized labor? They create a final, detailed technical drawing. This master blueprint for the factory contains precise measurements for every component, instructions for every stitch, and specifications for every piece of hardware. That plan ensures every bag matches the designer's perfected vision. Once the final design is approved, the technical drawings are handed over to a highly skilled artisan known as the pattern maker. This person translates the two-dimensional drawing into a three-dimensional object. They create a pattern, templates for every single piece of the bag. Patterns used to be paper or cardboard. Today, many factories use CAD to create precise digital patterns. Digital files are easily adjusted and sent to automated cutting machines for flawless accuracy. The pattern maker accounts for leather thickness, fabric fold, and exact seam placement. The pattern includes body panels, lining, interior pockets, gussets, side panels for depth, straps, and small decorative tabs. Seam allowances, those small borders, are added so the bag finishes to the correct size. Before mass production, the pattern is tested. A prototype, often made from less expensive materials, lets the team see and feel the design. They confirm hang, proportions, and pocket functionality. Edits might move a pocket, shorten a strap, or tweak overall size. The pattern maker then modifies the paper or digital patterns precisely. Prototypes repeat until every detail is perfect. Only with an approved prototype does the factory prepare for full-scale production. With the final pattern approved, the factory begins sourcing and preparing materials. Large orders for fabric, premium leather, high-strength thread, and custom hardware arrive. Everything enters a receiving area for intense quality inspection. Workers unroll each hide and examine the full surface for imperfections, scars, insect bites, texture and color variations. Flaws are circled in chalk so cutters use only pristine sections for visible parts. Fabric rolls are checked for weaving errors, stains, and dye inconsistencies. Hardware samples are tested for finish, color match, and smooth function. Thread is tested for strength and color consistency. Cleared components are staged, hides flat and climate controlled, fabrics cataloged, hardware binned. Now that materials are prepared, the cutting process begins. Patterns guide cutting the three-dimensional pieces from raw materials. Skilled cutters nest templates tightly, avoiding flaws and minimizing waste. Sharp knives handle unique parts, die cutters stamp repeatable shapes. Fabric layers are stacked and cut by computer-guided machines for speed and precision. Digital patterns ensure exact dimensions, batch after batch. Cut pieces are grouped into kits, labeled for position and orientation, and moved to assembly to keep production flowing. The kits of cut pieces now arrive at the sewing and assembly stations. This is where the bag truly begins to take shape. The department is filled with skilled sewers using powerful, industrial-grade machines. These machines cleanly stitch through thick layers of leather and fabric. Sewing begins with smaller components first. Interior pockets and card slots are created and attached. Leather tabs are attached. Handles and straps are layered and stitched for strength. The lining, essentially a bag within a bag, is assembled with its pockets. A crucial step, skiving thins edges for flatter, cleaner, more durable seams. Large outer panels are aligned and stitched with unwavering precision. Expert hands ensure straight, evenly spaced stitching, essential for QC. The main body is built, gussets add depth, and the lining is inserted. After primary stitching, the bag is turned right side out. Loose threads are trimmed, seams pressed, and any structural base elements secured before hardware. With the main body fully stitched, it moves to hardware and finishing. Zippers are stitched in precisely and tested for smooth glide. Any resistance or misalignment is immediately replaced. Other hardware is attached by machine and hand setting. The iconic brand logo is riveted as a plate or hot stamped with a heated die and foil. Raw cut edges are treated to protect and polish. Multiple thin layers of edge paint are applied, dried, and lightly sanded for a smooth, rounded seal. The bag is shaped with tissue or foam to achieve its intended silhouette. Hardware is polished and the surface cleaned of any marks. The bag now looks exactly as envisioned, ready for its most important test, final quality control. Only after finishing can a bag move forward to the factory's guardians of perfection. Before any bag can be considered finished, it must pass the most rigorous stage, quality control. This exhaustive point-by-point inspection is performed by the most experienced, detail-oriented workers. They check every surface for scratches, stains, and color consistency. Every stitch line must be straight and even. The bag must hang correctly and be perfectly symmetrical. Clasps, snaps, and buckles are tested to feel secure and function smoothly. The lining must be smooth and clean. Internal logos and tags correctly placed. No lingering glue or paint smells. Any flaw fails the bag, which is repaired by artisans and fully re-inspected from the start. Only a bag that passes every checkpoint receives the final approval. Packaging protects the bag and creates a luxurious unboxing. The bag is shaped with tissue or a custom insert. It goes into its soft dust bag and then into its final retail box. Tissue cushions it. The box is closed, then sealed or ribboned. A label with style, color, and barcode is added for tracking. Boxes are cartoned, sealed, and moved to the warehouse, ready to ship around the globe. The creation of a designer bag is a dance of art, skill, and technology. A simple sketch becomes an object of luxury and function. It begins with the designer's vision, translated by a pattern maker, and supported by meticulously sourced materials. Cutters slice with precision, sewers stitch with unwavering accuracy. Finishers add gleaming hardware and protective edge coatings. Inspectors guard quality. Technology boosts efficiency, but the heart lies in the craftspeople's hands. Material feel, stitch tension, and an eye for subtle details distinguish true luxury. This factory is a workshop of shared knowledge and pride. When you hold a designer bag, see more than style, see the story. Imagine the sketch, the templates, the careful cutting, stitching, and polishing. Each bag is the sum of hundreds of small, deliberate actions, aimed at perfection, a testament to craftsmanship, made to be cherished for years to come.